Greetings, everyone. Jambo, Kenya. My name is Nyaga Stanley, and I am the founder of ifix Technical Institute. My education background is solid state physics from Kampala, Uganda, and the institution's management from Maseno University, Kenya. Stanley has 15 years of experience in ICT business from GSM Kenya Limited, where I grew from a computer and software technician to a systems trainer and later the company operations director. ifix, my company name, is a common noun. It starts with a small letter I, referring to individuals like you and I, and fix ended with the capital X, referring to innovations and solutions. ifix is a camel case linguistics branding style like iPhone and eBay. ifix is about repairing, maintaining, creating, producing, and of course, at ifix, we produce skilled workforce. Our tagline is, we fix you to fix it. Try it after me. We fix you to fix it. Voila. ifix Technical Institute has the campus seat in Thika, Kiambu, Kenya. Good news is Thika is Kenya's heart of manufacturing. Our vision is to equip Kenya youth with job-ready skills, fostering employment and entrepreneurship, with a mission to provide quality and innovative training that transforms lives. We transform lives by training youth into businessmen in ICT and craft certified courses delivered both online and on-premise. Our technical courses falls under two categories. One, long TVET courses charged Kenya shillings 25,000 per term. It's about $190. And two, short courses charged Kenya shillings 3,000 paid once. That's about $20. This is exchanging a dollar at 130 Kenya shillings. You have noticed a big gap already between ifix and other technical institutions. Yes, ifix charges 40% lower. Besides, we connect our trainees with the job market, starting with internship and pushing them until they get absorbed. We also retain the best performed trainees as our employees for expansion. In the future, and we are discussing with our partners that any job seeker showcasing ifix on their CV will be awarded as priority. Fellow Kenyans, here is the pain. Kenya faces that 5% youth unemployment based on census data of 2019, while 70% of employers struggle to find skilled workforce. Data World Bank 2022. If you type job advert on your browser now, you will trigger thousands of job opportunities online. But on the ground, graduates are lamenting that there are no jobs in Kenya. Reasons being, there are no more job slots for Find X certificates. Every employer is chasing on skills for productivity. Investors have shifted focus to production to suit the world enormous populations. Therefore, very few white-collar jobs available. In Thika alone, 2019 census again, there were 34,000 jobless graduates. Expect this to have shot up 10 times by 2025, considering Kenyans' high rate of reproduction, we have a problem. Worse still, where a family has no money because the father has no skills to make money, expect his children will have no fees for the overpriced private institutions, and they will struggle and wait for at least 3 years to secure a chance in the already overcrowded public university, or miss both. Again, a problem, lack of job opportunity. Is this not painful? This pain is what ifix has come to fix, offering job-ready skills for the market. You pay our others fees, we ensure you get a job, you start your business, or we hire you as our paid employee. As I address you this minute, ifix has 10 online students taking digital marketing and artificial intelligence, 5 trainees search for hands-on skills on computer and mobile repair course. Cumulatively, we have trained 19 technicians in the last 4 months, while 14 are queued to join us for the TVET long courses this September 2024 intake. Lucky enough, out of the 19 graduates, 10 have since been absorbed by Dama Mobile Spares, a partner in Kenya. 5 are still on paid internship, while 4 are being polished to work as ifix lab technicians. Dear Kenyans, kindly join me to empower youth with skills and money in their pocket. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your prayers. Keep an eye out on our social media hubs for job offers, because at ifix, we fix you to fix it. Thank you.